Yes. Yan. I'm gonna lay. Ooh. Oh, yes. Ang dalawang katulong na pa Starbucks lang, oh. Si Inday tsaka si Auring.
Si Inday.
Inday and Auring, yeah. Madam Inday tsaka si Madam Auring, oh. How's your workout, guys?
My abs has burned.
The abs burned. Meg's abs.
It needs
Well, it's not abs yet. It's still tabs.
tabs.
Meg's tabs become abs.
Tabs to abs. The megalodon.
The megalodon's tabs.
May ano pa tayo.
And then we got croissant, Danish sandwich, brooche bread. Talaga, oh. This is yayamanin, ano talaga, place, eh.
Increase your credit score by 20 points.
By 20 points, just by visiting the Starbucks right here. It feels like it.
Mag-refill tayo ng 4 beses pwede na.
Yes, it's done. Go get the coffee. Whole Foods bag. Yan, guys. Dito na naman tayo sa Starbucks. Let's go get some coffee. Siyempre, isang order lang ng kape. Kumuha naman na ako ng aking cup. Dahil pwede namang i-refill, di ba? Kanya-kanyang style lang yan. Saturday morning. No, it's Friday. Friday morning, July 17. Ganda ng araw, oh. Clear blue sky. Ay, nako, ang buhay ng US. Mamaya, trabaho na naman. Ito lang, you're trying as much as you can to slow it down. Dahil dito, pag-gising mo sa umaga, iniisip mo na yung trabaho mo. Pagpasok mo sa trabaho, hatching. Uwi. Again. Tulog, gising. Doon lang umiikot ang buhay ng taga-US. Nagtrabaho, bahay, trabaho, bahay, trabaho, bahay. Daily routine. Kaya if there's time to do something else, do it. Kaya fast-paced ang trabaho, ang buhay dito because of that routine, eh. Work, home, work, home, work, home. Doon lang umiikot. Not like in the Philippines. Wake up, cook breakfast, marites outside, marites pa more, go home, cook lunch, eat, go outside for more marites, marites again. Yep. Let's see, what time is it? 10:14. Yes. Mm-mm. And maybe someday we'll just up on the way.
For another cook. Thank you.
Give me some coffee. Here.
Okay.
Coffee for dear. And there's Megster. Megster,
Hello. Good morning.
good morning it is. Yan ang buhay ni Megster. Buhay ni Auring at ni Inday.
Sunbathing.
Sunbathing.
We did this for an hour and a half.
Uh-huh. Habang wala pa yung mga amo nila, they go gym, they go Starbucks, habang tulog pa yung mga amo. Ito ang mga ito ang mga, how do you call it? Anong pangalan ni Eliza sa Facebook? I'm trying to share para makita niya.
Yeah. I have to fill my oatmeal coffee.
Give me the croissant first.
My options of oil.
Eliza Flow. There it is. Mmm.
I didn't realize you put all the croissants in Danish tones. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, so you can enjoy the flavor of each bread. Because pastries is pastry, so you don't mind. Sound effect.
Croissants for more.
Mainit. We're gonna take one of the parasols so that this is. I'm pretty sure my attachment for my family. That's
Look at
why.
Liza.
Aww.
She was born.
It looks like she was like 3, right?
This is a newborn dito. She just turned 1.
What year was that? 2008?
This is 16 years ago.
When I was pregnant, but after I got
Pumayat ka na kay Eliza eh.
No? But when I go with Daniel, Christian, Miguel, ay, ayun ako.
Because he's stressed.
Stress.
Stress akin.
4 kids. And then, wait a minute.
Kay Eliza hindi na siya stress. I'm a newborn. Mabait na ako at that time.
You were still at the gym at that.
No.
Oh, we don't go gym that time. What happened to go gym? Nobody babysit.
I was like, oh, maybe you put her in LBA.
The only thing I go LBA nung tuwi pa nag-iba siya to. Ano,
Oh, nasa Starwood na kami
in
yan.
the morning.
2013.
Ako in the morning.
In the morning.
I think sa day ko lang, pag day off ng kuya ko.
Stay in the house, still drink every day.
That's the prime meetings. Ubos ng Hennessy na.
Mm-hmm. Oh, that time I drink Chivas.
I was in middle school. I was like, wait, maybe I
Yeah, cancel mo yung Monday ko mo kay Eliza because I'm working. Not unless you guys want to do a breakfast. Ngayong Monday?
No.
You can do lunch.
Sarap ng anong masarap ko.
we have a breeze and the kids are
Mm-hmm. It's not that hot. Ooh, does that make? Oh, yeah, yeah. Yung hangin, amoy mayaman. Ooh.
increase,
Yeah. Nung takus na, yeah.
increase my hairline by 20%.
It's dead.
Ano kung mama?
Blueberry sky. Recommended, guys. Try the blueberry sky.
Yep. Get your coffee from Starbucks. Get your croissant at Whole Foods.